Programming. How do you start learning it? Are you a beginner or at an intermediate level? This video is for you. So you can know where to start and what to do to begin actual training so you don't forget what you learned and so you master the language. I will tell you about all the free websites to learn programming thoroughly, and I will tell you everything you need to learn the field you want. Why are there so many programming languages? If you search for programming languages, you will find there are so many. You may wonder why. Their number exceeds more than 300 languages. Let me make it easier for you. They are like a painter's brushes. There are many, but each brush has a different use. To build a good foundation in programming, you must study computer science. I recommend the CS50 course because it is one of the best courses that will help you build a strong foundation. Can you learn more than one language? Let's go back to the brush example. If you learn how to use one brush, it will be easier for you to learn how to use the others. That means if you learn your first programming language in 1 year, you will be able to learn more languages in just a few months. How do you choose a programming language? You should know that all programming languages are built on the same foundation. This means you can learn any language you want, and then it will be easier to learn the others. I recommend learning C++ or C to build a very strong foundation in programming because they give you wide control over data and memory. I also recommend CS50 because it teaches you many languages. But you must first define your programming field. Then check how popular the language is. Are there many people using it? Are there many fields that depend on it? Because at the beginning, you will face many problems. If the language is popular, you will find people to help you, and you will find many projects in that language that you can imitate and build your experience from. What should you learn along with programming? You should learn some tools. Like an engineer who learns tools to help him draw his plans, you as a programmer need a text editor and other tools that you will learn while studying languages, because all courses explain these tools. Programming fields, I will tell you about fields that are in demand. 1, web development. 2, mobile app development. 3, AI engineering. 4, cybersecurity. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel to help us continue. We will make more videos explaining programming fields and languages.